floor.
Ground floor.
Doors opening.
Doors
Lift
opening.
going up.
Hi, this is me going to get ice.
Doors
Once again, going down the hallway to get ice. It's just me getting ice. It's very loud. That's the hallway. So good night. You're all wondering why I'm getting so much ice. Because for some reason, people don't get ice out here. Hi, that's a full bucket of ice. I'm gonna go back up on the lift. There we go. Hallway. This is me, still getting ice. That's ice. Someone jacked my lift. Why would they jack my lift? Why am I talking into a camera?
Doors opening. Lift going up. Doors closing.
Last night in London, it's been beautiful. I am so thankful for the trip. And I have a bucket of ice. Oh no, I'm gonna keep recording.
5th floor. Doors opening. Lift going up. Doors closing.
Fire door, keep shut. Stairs to reception. Two 526.
Gets into the digger moment. The key is that there is that we drop down in the middle of something, basically.